I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. And today I have the affordable hydrating skincare products that are really good. So let's start. First I have this Aqua Boost Hydrating Toner from Cule. This is wonderful. This is so hydrating, so soothing. It doesn't feel heavy or sticky. Texture is very good for using every day and it just makes my skin so healthy, hydrated, glowing. It has ingredients like pentavitamin, citrulline, hyaluronic acid, and these ingredients are naturally sourced from natural sugars, corn kernels and watermelon. So if you're looking for a gentle but effective formulation for your skin, then this is for you. It hydrates, minimizes the appearances of pores. It also balances pH and it gives this hydrated, glowy, healthy skin. It is fragrance free as well. I also love Cule's hydrating serum from the Aqua Boost line. This is so good for everyday barrier support, hydration, and the pump packaging is so convenient to use. This is a fragrance-free formulation, can work for all skin types. It works really good under makeup, sunscreen as well. It has ingredients like hyaluronic acid and saccharide isomerate, and it has this texture of a water gel, but this is non-sticky and it gives this hydrating glowy look. It doesn't contain any drying alcohol and can even work for sensitive skin due to its skin-loving ingredients and gentle formulation. And I really love this no-nonsense serum that works really well for every day. Next I have this body milk from Just Herbs. This is their ultra hydrating body milk. This is a hidden gem, I'm telling you. On Amazon they give really good discount on this. And yeah, this absorbs really quickly, doesn't feel heavy. Perfect for Indian weather. I love the sweet but subtle scent of it. It also has kumkumadi tailam, it has coconut oil, glycerin, and then jojoba oil. Love this one. It also has saffron, malai, and if you are someone who doesn't like heavy formulation when it comes to body care, then this one is for you. Also, I found this affordable cleansing milk for you. This is from this brand Evoluderm. This is the first product I have tried from this brand. This is a French pharmacy brand, I think, and yeah, this is really nice. If you like cleansing milks, you're gonna love this. It gently removes sunscreen, makeup, doesn't feel stripping. It has this very soft lotiony texture, but it contains fragrance. So if you want a fragrance-free formulation when it comes to cleansing milk, then you can try Evoluderm. Lastly, I have this peptide sunscreen from the FormulaRX. This sunscreen is hydrating, soothing, supports skin barrier. It has peptides. It has SPF 50, 4+ protection. It also has vitamin C and licorice for skin brightening, and it has old school sunscreen filters. So if your skin is allergic to that, then avoid it, because I have heard from you many people get burning sensation in their skin from old school filters, but it worked really well for my skin. Doesn't feel any sticky or greasy, can work really well for every day if your skin likes these filters, and yeah, doesn't leave any white cast, so yay to that. So yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful and thank you so much for being there, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.